Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and yesterday I created this whole effect with environment, and today I am just showing you my all files and details how I created this. This is the breakdown of my this effect, this kick effects. So let's start this. So basically for this effect I use mostly my previous tutorials effect, and I'll show you where and how. So this burning effect, and let me just show you in perspective. This effect is exactly same thing. If you will go to CGHOW YouTube channel and you will search here destructive fire, this thing, and this is 3 years ago I created in Cascade. It is not Niagara. You can also watch this video.